All right, CCIEORDIE.COM, and welcome back. I got a new toy today. This is our topology, by the way. We're going to go back to the HSRP diagram, but briefly taking a look at this is called Xshell 5, and that will give you tabbed windows. It's free and it's downloadable. And I've been trying to get Putty to do the tabbed windows. Console on my Linux box does a great job with that, Super Putty has been giving me a hard time. But I found Xshell 5, and I've got that working in GNS3, and we're good to go with that. So let's have a look at R1. Here we're going to get started with R1. We're going to config T, and we're going to get rid of router EIGRP, no router EIGRP1, and we'll go to router 2 and config T, no router EIGRP1, and the ISP, config T, no router EIGRP1. Good. Since we're at the ISP router, I'd like to set up the VTY lines. This is going somewhere, and just follow along. Line VTY, VTY 0 through 15. Yours may be different. We're going to take the password and make it CCIE, and we'll force a login. And logging synchronous will turn that on. Logging sync. And the exec dash timeout will set for 60. 0 means it will expire in 60 minutes. We're going to set an IP domain name and CCIEORDIE.COM. Good. And IP HTTP server. And I think, we need the enable secret password. Enable secret. We're going to make it CCIE. And we'll make a user, admin, password, CCIE, CCIE as well, and privilege level 15 for the whole 9 yards. Let's go over to our, we'll have to come back for that. We need to set up static routing as well. That's why I wanted to get rid of EIGRP. We want to set up static routing between the ISP and the two routers. 72 to get to 172.16.1.0, 255.255.255.0. Use 11.1.1.1. And to get to the other side, IP route to get to 172.16.1.0, 255.255.255.0. We'll use 12.1.1.2. That's R2. Good. Let's go to R1, and we'll set a default route, IP route 0.0.0.0, 0.0.0.0, and we'll use 11.1.1.100. Good. And we'll go back to R2, IP route for a default route to 0.0.0.0, 0.0.0.0.0. We'll use 12.1.1.100. And there we have it. Do show IP route. Okay, our static. And we can see our gateway of last resort. That's our default route. Heading back over here, we should be replying again. All right. So let's open up Putty, since we set up Telnet, and see if we can get to 100.1.1.1 using Telnet. Open. Hey, look at that. CCIE. Hey, there we go. EN. CCIE. Good, we're in. Do show, or just show run. Show run. Excellent. And since we set up the HTTP server and the IP domain, we should be able to run a browser to it 100.1.1.1. Should ask us for a username. Excellent. Admin. And the password is CCIE. And we'll get the splash screen for the router. Great. We can put that away. So good, we've accomplished a lot so far. So we got the VTY lines, we did the statics and the defaults, we got HTTP working. And that's going to wrap it up for us tonight. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.